Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I have been very surprised with the mail today because I have just received my July Simply Gilded box, which is called Lullaby Moon, but I received this one the very same week that I had received my June one, so I just opened my June one and now I have the July one. Yeah. To say the least, the postal service has been very, very unreliable in these times. So things come whenever they want to come. It's not based on the schedule, really. I mean, these boxes are shipped at the end of every month, so the consistency would be that it would take a month between each box I get. But one week I received 3 boxes all at the same time, and now I received 2 in the same week, so I'm not gonna complain. It's a lot of happy mail all at once, and I'm glad that they're coming to me safely. I really, really am. Either way, I'm not gonna babble on more about the shipping and stuff, but I was just really surprised to receive this today. Either way, Lullaby Moon, this is the box. It is in really good condition. It has not been bent that much. We have the beautiful music notes here. The colors are very soft, very calming. It's supposed to be, like a lullaby, it's supposed to be calming. I think Irene said that because I think she designed this after the pandemic, so she wanted to create something that would be very calming and kind of bring you serenity, which I think this really does. So let's get into it. All right. It's a really big box again this month. Ooh, oh, what is this? I don't know if I've actually seen the mystery item when I come to think of it. All right, so, oh, maybe it's the it's the Washi in here, not the mystery item. That's a really cool packaging though. I mean, I want to take the Washi last though, because that's usually what I do. I can take this little thingy first. This is something very new. She called it confetti tape kit. This is something you can use to create a confetti dashboard or like a shaker dashboard. I also always love that the backing itself is beautiful. So if you do like scrapbooking or, just crafting in general, you could use this for other things. So we have a clear tape. This is like a regular tape. This is not like washi tape with the beautiful moons and stars, little pieces like that. It's a beautiful clear tape. Now we have a pack of confetti, as you can see. Moons and pink hearts and some little iridescent stars. Really, really pretty mix. They're falling out a little bit too, as you can see. And I think there's something in here that you're meant to use it for, but I will open and find out. Okay, so this is the beautiful pouch this month. It's another big one. It's scalloped. It is very similar to the February box one. Actually, I want to compare for a second. You can see here, I believe they're the same size, but this is a darker, more grayish blue, and this is a little bit lighter. Still more of a grayish tone of blue. It's not like baby blue, but they both have a silver hardware. I kind of do wish this would have been this like soft pink that you will see throughout the box, just to have some contrast. These are very similar, but I do love the scallop. It's beautiful. Either way, when I open it, I know I'm gonna love it because there is a pattern inside that I adore. Oh, look at this. We have beautiful owls. In case you didn't know, I love owls, and for a very long time I kind of collected items with owls, mainly because I'm a big Owl City fan. I've been since my early teens, and when I saw this, I just was brought back. And this is on like a nudish pale pink background with the moons, and there's like a little mama owl and a baby owl. So many owls and baby owls, and they're just so cute. I love this print so much. So I just wish I could like stare at this print all day. It's just so beautiful. Also has the D-ring so you can attach something. I think there's actually a charm in here, so let's get into what's in the box. And the mystery item I'm still not sure of. So, yes, we do have a charm or a clip this month, and I love whenever we have that. So, this is a beautiful velvet, very soft ribbon. We have a iridescent moon, like a glass one, beautiful. And we also have a little music note here, which is so pretty. This silver is super shiny, and they're just beautiful together. And we have a big lobster clasp, and it is a nudish pink. Maybe not nudish, actually. It's kind of a cold toned pink. This box is very cool toned in general, which I feel like fits kind of wintry themes. I think I could make a nice winter setup with these. Whenever I see music notes, I think of my mom because she loves music and she's like a singer and stuff. And I just want to think of music and music notes, also because I personally cannot read like music notes, but she can. So it's I feel like I want to make a card for my mom with all of these. Speaking of cards, or speaking of well, crafting and making things, here is the item that kind of goes hand in hand with the confetti kit, because here we have, actually I'm gonna take that last. We have an acetate, which is silver foiled with the moons and the notes, music notes. And you can use this, and what you're meant to do, you can cut this to the size you want. And then you can take the tape it along the edges so that you close it up. But before you close it up, you're supposed to pour in some of the confetti, then close it up all the way, and then you get a beautiful shaker dashboard, shaker card. You can do lots more with it, of course. It doesn't have to just be these items. You could add your own little things. You could use it for a card, create like a window, or you can make like a planner dashboard. There's lots of things you can do with it, but this is a really nice tool, and I do like this addition that Irene has added. It's very, wants you to be a little bit creative and not just use the things in the box as they are, which is really, really nice. So thank you so much, Irene. I really, really like that. And apart from the acetate, we do get a vellum, and this is the same pattern that was inside the pouch, which means this vellum is gonna be my favorite, and I'm gonna want to use it in like every setup possible, just because I love it oh so much. I just love these owls, love the pink. It's also pretty. I don't know when or how I'm gonna use it, but it's gonna be dear and special to me, and I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm gonna dig into the pen of the month. I love that it's a staple. This is the pen. It has moons, it has stars and sparkles, and it goes from that peachy nudie pink in ombre to this grayish darker blue. We have the bow on top. And it's just as always a beautiful gel pen. I do love these so much. I know that every time I add one of these Simply Gilded pens to my planner, I could use the pen itself easily to write with. It's not just a pretty pen, it's a functional pen, and it's weighty, and I like the grip. I like pretty much everything about this pen. So yeah, it is my favorite type of pen as of right now. And yeah, this one matches the kit perfectly. So we do have another pen, which makes me wonder if maybe this is the mystery item. I can't see it on the card here. So I think this is the mystery item. This is Jelly Roll Sakura, or Sakura Jelly Roll. I kind of want to see how this one writes. Can I try it out on here maybe? I don't know what color this is, but I'm guessing it matches the kit. It looks like a kind of steel silver. Yeah, I believe it's like a steel silver color. It's not like a pure silver. You can see it looks pretty dark. So that's a really nice like neutral one you could use for a lot of projects or fun art projects and stuff. Alright, so then we have the sticker kit. Actually, the notebook is here too, so I'm gonna take this one first. And I always have a hard time opening these, so I'm gonna open it and then show you. So here's the notebook or B6 TN insert, if you will. We have this steel grayish blue, once again, with a silver moon and these beautiful florals. We will see more in these with the stickers based on the previews. And I think this is beautiful. I just think the florals especially. I love the watercolor effect, the detail. On the back, we have a silver foiled bow, and it's like a music pattern. It is a dotted notebook, as you can see, which has been the standard in previous months. And yeah, it's a really pretty one. I love when we get a beautiful foil design, and now it's a beautiful foil design on both sides, which is very, very, very lovely. Then we come to the stickers, and this kit is just so cute and calming, and I'm really excited. I don't know, I'm excited for the stickers especially this month. Maybe because I see that there's more owls in it, and I am just loving the owls. Please, Irene, make an owl themed kit. Yeah, I want even more owls. So we have the date dots, which I love, has become a standard. It's like an ombre. Do you see that a little bit? Beautiful. We have the icons that are actually little hearts. If you pull it up, it's a little heart. And we have the add-on sheet. Look at that deco. This deco is so tiny. Look at that little music note. It's so small. But I love it. And the owls. I love the owls. And there's a little bird there too. That's not necessarily an owl. Half boxes, extra full box, checklists, all that good stuff. I love this little mini sheet. We have the seals. Here we have more of the moons, as you can see. They look to be all the same in color. Actually, no. These two are silver, these two are rose gold, and these are also silver, I think. Otherwise, the florals are all the same colors. These are beautiful, and I do love the paper that they're on. You could use these for a lot of beautiful things. And then we have the sticker kit itself. Oh, this is so pretty. I always love these stickers. I am always scared of using them because I always want the spread to turn out perfect whenever I do use them. But we have 2 sets of day covers. It's a really pretty, delicate font this month with like little leaves, which I think is a really, really creative. And I do like that Irene is experimenting with fonts. We have some full boxes. I really like the simplicity of this white one. Oh my gosh, look, she added Washi Wednesday. Maybe she's done that before, but I haven't noticed it until now. Love that. Then we have the second sheet with the owls. Oh my. Okay, love this full box. Love this full box. Love this full box. And love this deco. Oh, it's so adorable. Yeah, it's all just so cute. I'm so excited for this kit. Everything is beautiful. And yeah, I think the kit might be my favorite thing this month. Usually it's one of the more stationary items, but this month I'm loving the sticker kit oh so much. Last but not least, we get into this bag right here. I love this packaging because it's actually reusable in the sense that it comes in a zipper bag. Oh my goodness, I didn't even notice. It's a customized bag. Do you see that? It's her bow and hearts pattern. Oh my, I love that so much. We have the journaling card, which has the rose gold moon. I feel like this would fit perfectly with the kit we got last year. I think it might be similar to the July kit it might be last year actually. I'm not entirely sure, but the colors are a little bit similar. So I do love when we get similar kits because then you could easily combine them and then you have just a little bit more to work with, which I like. Then we have the washi. Let us see what the washi looks like. So this is the washi that comes in the box. This is the same design as the April box, but that April box was rose gold. but I think this is perfect because when I saw that April box one with the stripes, I thought of, you know, music notes or like a music sheet. So this, to have this here feels a lot more appropriate actually. So that's really nice. We have a silver version. And then we have, these are perforated. We have a task one, perforated to the 1.5 inch size. Then we have a perforated moon silver one, I think. Oh, this is a sparkly one. I'm gonna have to roll this one out. And then we have a, it's a light pink one with the music notes in silver. I love this one. I really love this one, and I want more of this. Once again, I think of my mom, and I really want to make a card for her with all of this. But I'm gonna open this and roll this one out because I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Alright, you can't see it that well here, but this is a beautiful sparkling washi. It has like a coat of shimmery sparkles on it, and you can only really see it in certain lights, but when the sunlight hits or a specific type of light bulb hits, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful floral with some little silver foiled bows here and there, which is so cute. I do love these washes. It's unique and it's something that adds a little extra to your spreads. While I'm in zoomed in mode, I'm gonna show you the 5mm add-on, which I also am subscribed to. We have a heart one, which is vertical, that's nice. We have a star one, which you could use either way. Then we have a kind of, it's a hearts and vines on that dark grayish blue, and we have a star one that's an blue and pink ombre. So these all match the box perfectly. Alright guys, so this was the July Simply Gilded box, Lullaby Moon. So calming, such cool colors too. I'm a little bit surprised that this is a July box. I feel like this is more of a wintry box, but that's good actually, because receiving this so early means I can actually use it in time for winter, because winter kits, usually, especially overseas, it takes a while and I don't always receive them in time. So either way, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.